We start from x-axis. So we stand on the front of the machine and loosen the screw on the right side for 2 turns and tighten the screw on the other side, also 2 turns. After the screw on the right side is loosened, we need to move the table to the left for a little bit so that the screw at the left side is easier to tighten. Now we go to y-axis. There are 3 inlays here, left 1 here, left 2, left 3, totally 3. To adjust the y-axis inlay, we need to loosen the rear screw for 2 turns and tighten the screw on the front side. We need to do it one by one. If they don't know how to adjust the screw, they could also disassemble the oil scraper, the black one, so they will see the screws inside very clearly. Here is the first inlay. Here is the second one. Here is the third one. So on the front side we need to fasten. On the other side is loosen.